So for all you people who've kept asking me how to make this, there's for you. So we are making a coconut milk for you today.
Welcome to Bodyprocoach, guys. I'm Praveen Nair Maahek, and we're going to make some really amazing recipes which is going to let you be on diet plan forever. And that's exactly what we want. We want you to follow a lifestyle rather than just think about weight loss, and we've got it for you. Let's go.
100 grams coconut, 600 OZ, which is equal to 4 cups of water. So guys, your 5-minute coconut milk is ready. It's easy, super fast and super delicious. Why I choose this? Because it's high in MCTs.
That's what we want in chain triglyceride, which means that one of the simplest form of fat which can easily digest. Apart from that, we take a lot of stress and we run around too much, so eventually our cholesterol levels are going to be going higher. What the coconut milk, which is amazing and tasty at the same time, is going to help you lower the cholesterol levels. At the same time, it's going to get you some really great health for your bones. So make sure that you consume these things, which is great in the good fats. At the same time, it gets you good taste. So let you be in the fat for a long period of time.
Yes, if you're following something as intermittent fasting or ketosis, you can still have coconut milk and be in ketosis.
Exactly. All the things that you need on the channel, that's about exercise, that's straight to look at programs, that's about recipes, how to cook food, information, why do you do a certain way of intermittent fasting or ketogenic lifestyle diet. Apart from that, we've got some really amazing content on how to create great movements. So make sure to share with friends and family because even they have to get fit. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. At the same time, if you're liking all the recipes that we're creating along with other contents, give us a thumbs up. At the same time, share the channel with your friends and family. That they get a great channel which has all the information that they need to be fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, you take care.
Thank you.